you find it challenging to keep your indoor plants thriving due to low light? Well, you're not alone. Many plant enthusiasts grapple with this issue, but with a little knowledge and a few handy tips, you can turn that dim corner of your house into a lush, green oasis. So, buckle up as we journey through the process of growing plants indoors in low light. First, it's essential to understand that plants have varying light needs. Some plants require bright, direct sunlight, while others can survive and even thrive in low light conditions. So the initial step in growing your indoor plants in low light is selecting the right plants. Plants such as the snake plant, ZZ plant, pothos, and peace lily are all excellent choices for low light areas. They are hardy, forgiving, and have a natural affinity for less sunny spots. Next, you need to consider the placement of your plants. Even low light plants need some light. Position them near windows, but avoid direct sunlight, which can scorch their leaves. North or east-facing windows usually provide the best light conditions for these types of plants. If you don't have windows that provide sufficient natural light, don't worry. Artificial lights, specifically grow lights, can also do the trick. They can supplement or even replace natural light, ensuring your plants get the light they need. Watering is another crucial aspect of indoor plant care. It's important to realize that low-light plants generally require less water than their sun-loving counterparts. Overwatering can lead to root rot and other problems. So, how do you know when to water? A good rule of thumb is to check the top inch of the soil. If it's dry, it's time to water. If it's still damp, wait a little longer. Finally, let's talk about feeding your plants. Like all living beings, plants need food to grow. However, plants in low-light conditions should be fed less frequently than those in brighter conditions. Regular houseplant fertilizer, used sparingly, can provide your plants with the nutrients they need to stay healthy and green. To recap, growing indoor plants in low light involves selecting the right plants, positioning them correctly, watering wisely, and feeding them appropriately. By following these steps, you can transform those dim corners of your house into a beautiful indoor garden teeming with life. Remember, every plant is a living being with its own needs. Understanding these needs is the key to successful indoor gardening. So don't let low light deter you from adding a touch of nature to your indoor spaces. With a little care and patience, you can cultivate a thriving indoor garden regardless of the lighting conditions. Happy planting!